So it's raining very heavily outside, and while I was passing by the kitchen, I just saw something. Let me show you. So it's this kabutar ka bachcha. Can you see? Apparently ये उड़ नहीं सकता, पर पता नहीं कहाँ से आ गया है यहाँ पे. पूरा फूल गया है गुस्से से. शो उठ जा. Oh, please don't look at me with such bechara eyes. Please, I don't want to adopt you. Please. Fine, let me just give you something to eat. So I'll just give him some rice ka tukda maybe. Okay, don't be scared. Here's some rice if you want to eat. No, don't fall down. Don't fall down. And I'll just close the window. It's a very small baby, but I'm really scared of him. So probably I'll just wait for my husband to come back home and we'll figure out what to do.